like this. So when I left yesterday in Paris, it was 0 degrees, and actually I brought my coat and everything because I didn't think that it would be this nice. So actually I found myself here with clothes of winter, while it's pretty much spring summery here. So well, we need to adapt. We need to find some summer clothes.
Yeah, you should. You should.
My friend here is on hangover, so excuse his state.
I'm focusing to find a good coffee.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
حيث منابل.
I don't know, like I feel like it has a lot of energy, this place, and I feel pretty good. I started to tan a little bit as well, so I mean, guys, what's best than this? Wow. So yeah, I feel like I deserve this. I mean, it's not expensive, it's beautiful, yeah, it's full of people, so you're not gonna just be alone, because when you go to hostels and stuff, everyone is a stranger pretty much, and you can easily start talking and catch some interesting conversations with people. Then I mean, go to party and know some other people. They are very open here actually. And look, so here we got in the half way toward to the point, and I'm gonna show you a very beautiful view actually. Look, and it's very windy. This number of windsurfers and sailors. It's amazing the number of people in the water, and the people here also that are preparing themselves, so you can notice how much they enjoy and look like. Like even there are so many people are, and yeah, this is what I like about those places. People are just living freely. They are doing their sports. This is for me, it's my hobby, my first hobby, to do windsurfing and to be such activities. So just something else actually. For the passionates of the sports, aquatic, waves, traveling experiences, this is the place to be. This is the place. Yeah. people here. I mean, there are a lot of girls actually. There are a lot of girls practicing, and I think this is the main point of surfing. It's called Hotel Aya Surf. So this is the hotel in which I think most of the surfers come here. And even if I'm not gonna practice any, I'm just gonna stay and watch my friend doing a little bit. Maybe I'm gonna try a little bit later. But here, as you see, we have the coffees, we have everything that makes you able to chill on the beach. I mean, take a smoothie and just chill, just all the time here. I mean, networking with people also. This is very important to know some people, and yeah, why not? So here we got into the surf shop in order to rent some equipment. So my friend is here, he's gonna rent from Duton. They have very amazing boards actually. And yeah, we have chosen a board. We have chosen a sail as well.
Merci.
Allez, I am filming. تجريش رجعت نجري. So I need let's get into the spot. He's running. He's running. There are some surfers as well. Well, there is not a lot of swell actually to surf, but some people just do it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you are the configure in your watch. Okay, we understand. They understand. Look. Allez. Let's check him. Let's check how good he is. Let me try the water actually. Woo! That's nice. It's amazing. Guys, we need to remember that we are in Europe. This is, despite being in the near the African continent, but this island is a Spanish island that belongs to Spain. It's been like centuries, and even though it's near to Morocco, we are in Europe here. It does require a visa. It does require a visa to Schengen, the one that let's use for the European Union. And as you see, discover with us. We are looking for the hostel.
Yeah. So go straight and then a little bit right.
When they need a couple that?
So yeah, we are looking for the hostel, and Hamza is asking about the accommodation of the hostel. So did she tell you where is the hostel?
La.
This one?
No.
No, it's not. Sorry guys, it's not this. Actually, this is a pretty cool area. We are close to the beach. I think we are like 5 minutes walking. So this is the most important thing, to be approximate to the beach for me, to the parties for Hamza, and yeah, this is it, you know. Yeah, so we keep continuing and we tell you the updates. I like the view. It's really very beautiful view.
Think about the place.
Yeah.
Read the reviews. I'll tell you.
Actually, I don't read the reviews, and I don't.
It's a shithole, but the view is okay.
It's okay. That's part of the experience, I think.
The one thing it has is location.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why people come actually. So.
Well, yeah, it is.
How long have you been here?
3 months.
Okay, nice. Yeah, okay.
This year, 3 months last year.
And where you come from?
Manchester.
Manchester. Okay.
Went up there.
It's beautiful actually, and we are going to surf now. Me and my friend, so. هاي يجي ايش جيب البلان شوي. We are taking some selfies. هاي جوك بيه.
Bark is channel.
Like it falls into the grass.
هاي 3 2 1.
حبسة تدري